I feel in the back of my mouth. Oh, while we were cooking, I kind of gummed it. Oh my god, I just dropped it all. 3CHI, know what's up?
I'm saying. Yo, 5-minute update. I'm super lit. Like, I feel it a little bit in my head, not really like a buzz, but I just feel high. We're having a dilemma because none of us have done this before.
Itu peeps.
Time to eat it up. You gonna eat the whole thing? Mm-hmm. Right? It tastes just like regular old peach rings.
Honestly, I can eat this whole thing.
Hey, do it. No. We're having a dilemma because none of us have done this before. Just gotta mix it, I guess. Okay, so discovered something. The one that I stirred, this one, look, it clumped up into a little rock, but else is totally fine. So, word of advice, don't stir this, I think, immediately. And I think if you get to a point like this, well, see, look, it is getting a little smaller, so I do think the heat is breaking it down a little bit more. So I think if anything, and you guys are just trying to do this tea application as well, just you know, stick to letting it sit there. Yeah.
That was actually perfect.
Yeah.
Woo!
Hey man, this boy making a whole fourth.
I said this like,
Yeah. That's good.
King's Cup category. Types of cookies.
All right, we kind of. Oh, it's kind of dark. Let me turn it on. No, I got it. No, it's cool. We went for chocolate dip instead. I know I talked about making cookies in the CBN, video where we were like, taking bong rips and smoking it out in a roll. But I just kind of figured that like it might be a lot more easier and accessible kind of to do it this way, for like, I thought about it like this, right? I don't know how to bake for my life. Elle is a great baker. But I know there are other people out there who might be like me and can't bake at all. So this, way of doing the chocolate dip kind of thing is our way of making it a lot easier for everybody. Because, you could just dip it into whatever you want now. Strawberries, cookies. I mean, we're still going to eat with cookies, but yeah, so there's a little explanation. All right, guys, we are here with our CBN tea, our CBN chocolate dip. Little goodies. To dip our chocolate in. And Elle said we might as well just dump a little bit more CBN powder. I agree, right on the top, might as well. So all in all, this is about, I would say, let's see, one, was that a teaspoon or a table? Yeah, so 1 teaspoon and, okay, 1.5 teaspoons probably is into all this, right? We got 4 in total into the chocolate. Oh wow, that disappeared right away.
Right?
That just melted right in there. Okay, so that's pretty good. That, man, you could just probably top it onto anything hot when you really think about it like that. That's
probably just dry powder it too.
Yeah. We're having a little tea party, I guess, with CBN. We're probably gonna take some car hits too. In the middle of this, I got a Stardog purified live resin surplus carb. But we're gonna drink and eat a little bit the CBN first. So cheers, boys.
Cheers to you.
Yeah, cheers to y'all too. I taste absolutely nothing.
Just
of the
straight
powder.
tea?
Just straight tea. Yeah,
Straight
that's
tea.
yeah.
Yeah.
And we only let it soak in there for about like a good 5 minutes.
Yeah,
I think even if you want it to be completely dissolved, because I do see a little bit of stuff floating in there, you could probably like microwave it again at the end, just to get a little bit hotter. But that's it.
Yeah. That's all you got.
Yeah, pretty good.
And when you put it in the tea, if it doesn't dissolve or clump on top, just let it sit, you know?
Yeah, don't stir
Let
it.
it melt up top.
Let's go for a little bit of this chocolate dip, huh?
Get the Milano cookie? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for the Milano just because.
Wow, we're doing a little fondue action?
Yeah, you know.
Whoa, actually, imagine fondue,
with this stuff,
medicated butter mixed in. What?
I'd be down for that.
Yo, we got to get a chocolate fountain now.
We gotta do that next time, maybe.
Damn, that's already next time? My goodness. Regardless.
I'm saying.
Regardless.
This is still good. I don't taste anything, so.
Wait, hold on. You don't feel anything? I kind of feel something.
No, I said taste.
Oh, okay. Not gonna lie. I think I am feeling something.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty fast.
Now, honestly. But then again, I did not eat anything.
Oh, yeah, that's another thing.
Literally just woke up.
So I ate something. I ate something he didn't. So mine might take some time, but his already hidden. So explain us what you feeling, dog.
I feel in the back of my mouth. Oh, while we were cooking, I kind of gummed it. Maybe that's why. Maybe.
Oh no, I know what you're talking about now.
¿Qué pasó? What
No,
happened?
I'm feeling it a little bit.
Oh yeah?
It's like a little like
I
I'm
feel
not
like-
feeling it about. I'm feeling it like around
Yeah!
here, in the chest.
Like my torso, like, and even like some towards like the back of my lung area, you know? My God. Very good. 3CHI know what's up.
I'm saying.
3CHI know what's up, man.
I'm gonna do some more of this tea.
Some more of this chocolate. These chocolate. And we even have little Pop-Tart bars. Nice. With some Oreo. You say
Oh, here.
Oreo.
Let me leave the cart here for you. Mm-hmm. See if you want to
Said that
grab that.
was-
Take a little hit.
Star Dog?
Yeah, Star Dart. That's a hybrid strain. So, reason why I have this here, this here. Oh, so I'm gonna put it off outside of the camera. Reason why I have it here is because Entourage effect, guys. You know, we talk about it a lot here on the channel, and a lot of people already know about it. Those who don't know, quick little rundown is the more cannabinoids, you know what I'm saying, that you can get from like your products that are, you know, like cannabis related, all that stuff gets you higher. So, you know, you want CBD, CBG, CBN, all that stuff in intake with your regular THC. I mean, that's what it is in flowers. So, you know what I'm saying? When it comes to these concentrates too, I feel like just mixing in these concentrated versions together, like makes for a way more potent high than you would get from just smoking regularly.
Like, y'all heard of full spectrum? Nah.
Yeah,
Y'all
come
haven't
on,
heard
man.
full spectrum.
There it is. That's what I was forgetting to say. I was trying to think of the word. There it is. Full spectrum. Y'all want your stuff to be full spectrum.
Yeah, I'd be hella surprised. I'm like, what the fuck did they add? Like, when I read those labels and it's all like, oh, total like it'd be like THC and CBD is only this %, but total is like a lot more.
Yeah.
Total cannabinoids. I'm like, god damn.
Let
What
me
else?
see what else is in
like, yeah,
here.
what else is not like on here? What
Yeah.
else is like just labeled? You know?
Yeah. So, yeah, I hope going forward we get more products that just have like, especially when it comes to stuff in the dispensary, like as many of the cannabinoids as you can get. Because, you know, normally you just see THC, and then on the off chance you'll see CBD, and then on another off chance you might get CBN, like the cannabinoids.
Yeah.
Everything else is like so like, you know, wishy-washy. But dude, I'm feeling it. I'm getting a little head high now too. Like not like too crazy. Well, probably because I took a little bit of hits of the cart too.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Dip this Oreo in some more of this CBN chocolate. Wait. Oh, it is a chocolate-filled Oreo. Mm-hmm. Chocolate.
Sip of chocolate. Honestly, I'm good, man.
I'm feeling.
Yo, this is like probably like the second, maybe third time I experienced the CBN. It's pretty good.
I fuck
It's
with this more than
really good.
CBD.
No, yeah, definitely. Because usually with CBD, you don't really like feel much because it's a body high type thing. But with this, you actually feel like it's working. You know, like you're like, oh shoot, this is it. Michael Jackson. My goodness. Definitely start feeling in the chest first. You know.
I think CBN's like a nice little body buzz, you know? Like CBD, I feel like is just a lot more of a relaxant, really calm kind of thing. I mean, this, not to say this isn't a relaxant too, you know?
Yeah.
But I just feel like this is a little bit, I don't know if stronger is the right word, but that's just how it kind of feels to me.
That's what it feels like, you know?
I'm gonna down this tea. You get down yours. Let's
Yeah.
finish up here. So that's kind of our thoughts on that, boys. You know, if you guys are interested in CBN powder, you can smoke it. You know, isolate powder. You could dip it right into your chocolates, your favorite snacks and stuff like that. I feel like it works pretty well. And yeah, man. So
Ooh, putting in like salsa and chips.
that should be another thing we should do. So, you know, you guys comment down below if you want to see me and Elle make a cannabinoid feast. You know what I'm saying? Like CBN salsa, like CBD al pastor,
Epic
infused
mealtime,
tortillas.
but with marijuanas.
We'll see. So you guys, well, I don't know about no epic mealtime. We ain't got money for all that, bro. That's big ass portions, bro. We don't got money for that. Unless y'all want to see that, I mean, maybe we could break the bank a little bit for it, but who knows? But appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to leave that like and comment for us. You know what I'm saying? And we'll see y'all next time, you know? Peace. Yo, 5-minute update. I'm super lit. Like, I feel it a little bit in my head, not really like a buzz, but I just feel high. And like my body's not as, it wouldn't even say it's an intense body high. I'd still say there's like a little buzz in the chest area, but that's about it.
Hi.
Yeah, he's high.
So garlic parmesan fries are one and seasoned fries are another.
Oh, I see. I get you. Just seasoned fries regularly, man. The reason I'm all like.
P2P.